Welcome to ITSP Technologies.
We deliver end-to-end IT solutions.
We build secure, scalable infrastructure.
We drive digital transformation.
We deliver flexible cloud-first solutions.
We provide reliable IT support around the clock.
We design and manage intelligent networks.
We are basically a one-stop IT partner for businesses, helping companies to set up, secure, and manage entire IT environment. In brief, we offer IT infrastructure, networking, cybersecurity, cloud services, and ongoing technical support, all in one place.
We are your trusted IT partner.